When a whale dies and sinks to the bottom of the ocean, it can create a unique and complicated ecosystem that can last decades or even over a century. If it sinks in shallow waters, scavengers can take care of it pretty quickly. But when they fall to really deep depths, they can create an oasis of life in what could otherwise be called an underwater desert. The entire whale fall ecosystem typically happens in 4 stages. Stage 1 is called the mobile scavenger phase. Things like deep-sea sharks and hagfish feed on the soft tissues of the whale carcass. And this stage is relatively short, it lasts about 2 years. And stage 2 is called the enrichment opportunist phase. Smaller creatures like worms colonize the bones and surrounding sediments and finish up any organic material left over from the mobile scavengers. This stage can last from months to 4.5 years. Stage 3 is called the sulfuric stage, where colonies of bacteria form a mat on the bones and feed on the fats inside them. It's actually pretty similar to ecosystems that form around hydrothermic vents on the ocean floor. And this stage can last between 50 and 100 years. The 4th stage is a bit more speculative, and it's called the reef stage. Basically, the skeleton forms a semi-permanent structure just like a reef. And suspension feeders can latch onto the skeleton and catch whatever floats by. And what's really crazy is in 2014, a team of researchers from Plymouth University found evidence of some of the same stages on a late Jurassic ichthyosaur find. They found teeth mark on the bones, which is evidence of the mobile scavenger phase. And they also found 5-pointed bite marks on the bones, characteristic of sea urchins found in the enrichment opportunist phase.